everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby Lister and today we are going to be doing a fun little DIY vision board. So I have not started anything. I haven't even thought of any ideas or anything, so I'm going to take you guys on the complete ride, I guess, from start to finish. And I don't know why I'm doing it, obviously because it's like the new year and everything, but I kind of just want to really set out my goals, vision it, I guess. Obviously it's going to change, but to have something to like really motivate me. So plus it's just exciting, like it's a fun little project to do, and we're in lockdown at the moment. Brisbane and like Logan side of things is in lockdown for 3 days, so I've got a bit of time on my hands. So I'm sitting at my desk at the moment. I'm also not using my camera. I know. I am using Ree's camera, thank you Ree, because I can't find my battery and I'm really nervous. I think I lost it. Yeah, I also have to go out and obviously get photos printed, so I don't know how that's going to happen. But this is me on my computer. First I'm going to look at some Pinterest ideas. What do I look up? Vision board. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh, that's what I wanted. So I don't know what vibe I'm going to do, and I don't know if I want to do it like on a corkboard or on, like, look at that. Oops, I didn't mean to save that. Oops. Look at that. But we do have this mirror that we're going to throw out. But I don't know how that would do anything. No, it's black. I don't really like black. Look at that one. It's got like stuff all around it. Little pom-poms. How do I stick them up? How do you do that? Oh wow. Yeah, so I want to like somehow do it around my bed, because at the top of my bed is like okay guys, so I have now finished going through all of my photos. I have found 44 photos on Pinterest, and then I've got 12 photos like that I've found on my laptop, like that I had to Google search and stuff. It's all looking quite aesthetic to me, and then I'll add photos of like me and the girls and my friends and Kai and stuff from photos on like my phone. So it's all coming together. It's pretty aesthetic. It's like pinks and greens and like orangey warm tones and blues, all of the colors, but it's really cute. So I think I don't really know how I'm gonna print them. So first I have to save all of these photos. I don't know how to do that. Can I just... Yeah, so what I've done is I have also read like my New Year's resolutions and kind of found a photo to each one of those and like aligned with my New Year's resolution, so it's actually like making sense. I don't know, I might write up another one because obviously this is just messy, but it's more in photo form, which is kind of cool, but I don't know. Okay guys, I now have 2 USBs full of photos to print off. I don't know why I needed 2. It says that there was more than 8 gigabytes worth of photos, but I just don't think that's right. So I'm gonna head off now, and you guys are gonna come with me to Kmart, I think. Let's hope they're open. This is essential. I need to actually go to Woolies and get ingredients for tonight's creamy carbonara by Sarah's Day's new recipe book app situation. Okay, bye. Hello everybody, I have just gotten home. Holy guacamole, that was so weird. Like seeing everybody driving around in masks and then seeing everybody in the shopping center with masks. But I saw like 4 people, no not 4, but like probably 20 people in the whole shopping center. Like that's all I saw. I got my photos printed and I yeah, went to Woolies. Oh no, I went to Aldi's and got some ingredients for tonight, but I didn't get all of them. So, because I only had like my handbag and I didn't want to buy a plastic bag. and I hate like going through Aldi's because Aldi's is stressful. So I only got like a few veggies and stuff that is necessary. I'm definitely not doing it on a corkboard. I'm doing it just like blue tack on my wall behind my bed, so I can kind of do whatever and I have as much space as I want. And the corkboard, I just don't find it as aesthetic. Like I think it's aesthetic. Sorry, I'm like wobbling. I think it's aesthetic, but not my aesthetic. So let's go inside and get cutting and blue tacking. This is the space that I'm working with, and it's like I've got all this space, but I wanted it to be above my bed, like in all the Pinterest photos, but I don't think that's going to happen. So I think I'm going to do it here. So this is the before. How's that going to work? Okay, so I got my scissors. Just thought I'd, whilst I'm cutting, have a chat with you guys. So just want to say that I miss you. I'm really sorry that I haven't been really active on my YouTube lately. I swear I say that every time I've done a video, but I do mean it. I kind of just haven't felt like the love, not love, but like the passion for it and like the drive to creating videos. And I don't want to be the kind of person to create videos just because I feel like I need to. Like I want to be able to do it when I feel passionate and inspired, I guess. That's why I've filmed this super random video that has no context to my channel at all, but I wanted to do it. I do have a few things coming up, which is really exciting. I'm going to keep my channel, so for 2021 I'm going to have my channel really focused on kind of like a half-half kind of situation. I want to have like Where's Abby videos, and then I want to have all of like these kind of videos where they're fun and creative, and like have my Princess Polly hauls and like all my other fun hauls, but still keep it me, if you know what I mean. So it's like having, you know, my fishing and my camping and my adventuring, four-wheel driving, all that stuff still on here. And like I was considering maybe doing a separate channel like for Where's Abby and stuff, but then I was like, why? You know what I mean? Like Where's Abby is a part of me, like my adventure side and all that shit is me, as well as my girly fun creative side. So I'm like, I'm not gonna separate them just because there might be a few blokes that might have to look at the title of a video saying Princess Polly haul. Like they don't have to watch it, or like you girls, you don't have to watch me going out for driving. But I think I've really been really lucky with the kind of audience that I do have, that are like super open to me doing whatever. Like nobody really cares. Like nobody has ever cried to me saying that, oh, like you post too much fashion or whatever. Basically that's my situation, and I'm really excited for 2021 because there's going to be a few exciting situations happening. I've got yeah, I'm going to try really focus on Where's Abby and try to do monthly trips, get some sponsors going so I can do some really awesome things, and just really put my all into my social media this year. Like obviously I've been doing part-time baristering as well as this. Oh, I'm getting butts. So now I've got these pictures all sorted. I only had to cut 2 things, so that's great. I don't know, I've got like heaps of small ones and then a couple big ones, so I kind of want to just like scatter them somehow. Limited. Yeah, I'll give you a little tour. It's kind of like a dream board slash memory board slash vision board slash 2021 resolution slash something else. Photos. is like it's just a whole mix of like photos of me and like my friends versus like, you know, my goals and whatever. Like there's a few brands on here that I would love to work with one day. I want to go swimming with dolphins. I want to get into dancing, you know. Oh, there's a few like little quotes and everything. Like I want to get into cooking. Like so random, but just little things. Like smash out my Instagram. I did have a YouTube one, but it didn't print, so I don't know what happened with that. But like just a whole vibe, like gluten-free, dairy-free vibes. Get abs. Sarah's Day with abs somewhere. Meet Brody, collaborate with him, and become as inspirational and adventurous as him. That's really it. It's really cool. Oh, I have a boat. There's girls with jet skis, but I don't know if that one printed, and I really liked that one. Don't think it's on here, but there was like, yes, that's gonna be me with my jet ski. I'm gonna get a beige and peach colored Sea-Doo jet ski. I love it. This is my painting, by the way. I did this at Picasso and Pinot painting thing. I'll link it. It's really fun. I did it with the girls at Palm Beach. It's where you sip and paint basically, but yeah, absolute vibe. I'm going back there with the girls soon, so stay tuned for another really cool painting. Please, if you guys want to send me your dream/vision boards, let me know, and if I inspired you to make one, message me. Thanks. Now I'm gonna go have a shower, make my gluten-free, dairy-free, creamy carbonara. You know, this is just gonna be a little day vlog. Lockdown vibes. Ooh, I'm gonna get into my OODIE too. Okay. I'm gonna put on my brand new OODIE. Oh my god, so soft. My new OODIE. I know I already have one or two, but doesn't matter. These are the comfiest thing, especially coming into winter. You guys should definitely get one. I actually have a discount code for you guys. It's Abby30. I'll leave the discount code and a link to their website so you can get one. But I don't know if you guys have heard of these. Like, a lot of people have. Obviously, they're really popular at the moment. But it's just a massive hoodie that's really soft. I don't know what it's made of. It's like this material, like a little, like fake sheepskin material, as well as like a really soft silky vibe. This 3-day lockdown for Brisbane came at the perfect time because it was like really crap weather. So it was like rainy, miserable. So it's like perfect for the OODIE, perfect for lockdown. So now I'm gonna go make my Sarah's Day carbonara and watch a movie with my family. I'll just do like a little montage from here because you probably won't be able to hear because of the movie, because the kitchen's right next to the laundry room. So you probably won't be able to hear, so I'll probably just do like a little montage. I actually don't know how the carbonara is gonna go because, yeah, obviously you guys know I'm a bad cook. But yeah, spin.
Shut up and go watch the TV.
I have to make everyone dinner whilst they watch it. Do we have lemon?
Wait, is this the only lemon? I need it, sorry.
Unless we're just a really lemon-loving family.
I didn't know we were until today.
Yeah, everyone wants my fucking lemon.
Here we go. Oh no, that's orange.
Oh, is that filming?
Oh. It's fine. Now, should I keep on going and let it go through? Oh, yeah. Wow. I have to do. You have to go like this.
Thanks, your proper.
I don't want to get it on it actually. It's getting a bit messy.
This is my mattress.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this little vlog. I haven't done a vlog in a while, so I just wanted to like chat to you guys and keep it cash. But yeah, I will probably see you guys in a next haul, or if it's going to be a next Where's Abby episode, I'm not too sure. But again, I really missed you guys, and I really love vlogging and stuff. I just want to keep it as natural and genuine as possible. Like I enjoyed just like doing that little thing today, like little day vlog, whatever, nothing like super forced, if you know what I mean. Like I don't want to do the weekly vlogs just to keep you guys happy. Like I want to be happy with it as well. So here it is, here's me. But yeah, like this video if you, press the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe for more. Follow my Instagram at Abby_Lister. And yeah, you guys can shop the OODIE at theoodie.com, I think. I'll leave a link in the description with my code Abby30. And you guys, I hope you have a beautiful 2021 and you're definitely going to be seeing more of me, I promise. Miss you so much and love you and have a good day.